So glucose is the primary energy source for all of our cells, even our brain cells. It literally fuels us day to day, and it keeps all of our organs and all of our muscles and everything functioning optimally, right? So that is the key. That's why I started this off by saying we have to figure out how much sugar, how much starches, how much starchy vegetables do you need in order for your cells to do what it needs to do as well as your organs? So I look at sugar and insulin and glucagon, I look at it like this symphony. So as we begin to understand it, the interplay between these hormones, when glucose levels rise in the blood, the pancreas releases insulin. Now, insulin uptakes glucose into the cells. That allows the muscles in the liver to store glycogen for future energy needs. That is important because back in the day, if you were foraging for food and you couldn't find food, you now stored it in the body. The problem is we're storing so much because we're eating so much sugar that we end up having fat cells in our body because it has to go somewhere. Our opposite hormone when blood sugars drop is glucagon. So as sugar levels drop, pancreas now says releases glucagon. And that signals the liver to convert stored glycogen, which is a glucose, that's the backbone of it, to help raise your blood sugar levels so that you can function. It makes sure that the brain and all your organs get that energy that it needs between meals, during, or for physical exertion for you to move your body, right? So these hormones are constantly in tandem with each other to stabilize your blood sugar. When we're consuming excessive amounts, that can truly upset the balance. That can lead to low blood sugar, high blood sugar, then insulin resistance, and eventually prediabetes into diabetes. Because our sugar has to be balanced in order for our body to function.